Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. India is expected to overtake Japan as Asia's second largest economy by 2030, when its GDP is also projected to surpass that of Germany and the UK to rank as world's number 3. Currently, India is the sixth largest economy in the world, behind the US, China, Japan, Germany, and the United Kingdom. India's nominal GDP measured in USD terms is forecast to rise from $2.7 trillion in 2021 to $8.4 trillion by 2030. This rapid pace of economic expansion would result in the size of Indian GDP exceeding Japanese GDP by 2030, making India the second largest economy in the Asia Pacific region. By 2030, the Indian economy would also be larger in size than the largest Western European economies of Germany, France, and the UK. Overall, India is expected to continue to be one of the world's fastest growing economies over the next decade. The long term outlook for the Indian economy is supported by a number of key growth drivers. That is an important positive factor for India is its largest and fast growing middle class, which is helping to drive consumer spendings. At present, country's consumption expenditure will double from USD 1.5 trillion in 2022 to USD 3 trillion by 2030. For fiscal 2021-22, the country's GDP growth rate is projected to be 8.2%, rebounding from the severe contractions of 7.3% year on year in 2020 and 21. The Indian economy is forecast to continue growing strongly in the fiscal year 2022 and 23 at a pace of 6.7%. The digital transformation of India that is currently underway is expected to accelerate the growth of e-commerce, changing the retail consumer market landscape over the next decade. This is attracting leading global multinationals in technology and e-commerce to the Indian market. According to the report, by 2030, 1.1 billion Indians will have internet access, more than doubling from the estimated 500 million internet users in 2020. The rapid growth of e-commerce and shifted to 4G and 5G smartphone technology will boost homegrown unicorns like online e-commerce platform, Mensa brands, logistics startups Delivery, and the fast-growing online grocer BigBasket, whose e-sales has surged during the pandemic. The large increase in FDI inflows to India that has been evident over the past 5 years is also continuing with strong momentum in 2020 and 21. Its SAD is being boosted by large inflows of investments from global technology MNCs such as Google and Facebook that are attracted to India's large domestic consumer market. Being one of the fastest growing economies will make India one of the most important long-term growth markets for multinationals in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing industries such as autos, electronics and chemicals, and services industries such as banking, insurance, asset management, healthcare, and information technology. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.